guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Vlogmas, you guys. So today, literally it feels so weird to be filming this content so early, but definitely had to get ahead of the game with Vlogmas this year. But it's October right now, October 8th or something like that. You know, the days are passing me by, but today I actually went shopping. This is my first round of Christmas shopping. I decided to go early because you guys know that Christmas is my favorite anyway, but I'm in this new apartment and I'm very excited to decorate it for the first time this year. So definitely just was like really ready to go ahead and get into it. So me and my mom went out today to pick up some stuff, and all the stuff is on sale anyway. So listen, we had to go ahead and take advantage. So if you haven't seen our shopping vlog, make sure you go ahead and check that out. I will have that linked up here for you guys, and it will also be down below in the description box in my Vlogmas playlist. So today I'm just gonna be showing you guys a little bit more in depth everything that I picked up because I'm super excited. We went to Walmart and we also went to Hobby Lobby. My air conditioner just cut on. Yes, I still have the air conditioner on, people, okay? It's hot, it's really hot. But anyway, so we went to Hobby Lobby, which is like my mom's favorite store. Me too, honestly, I love Hobby Lobby. And then we went to Walmart. Walmart had the real gems when it came to the Christmas trees and the wreaths. Hobby Lobby was just like very overpriced when it came to the trees and everything, but that was to be expected. I'm literally covered in fake snow from just shopping in general, so make sure you guys check out that video. It's actually really funny. So let's start with Hobby Lobby because we did go to Hobby Lobby first. So let's start with Hobby Lobby. So I got these really big bags. I knew for a fact, and I hope that I'm in focus, you guys. I'm like back on the camera for the first day. Y'all gotta bear with me. We're just doing all kinds of new things. Okay, it's focused on my face now, but can it stay that way? I wanted to do like a purple theme. I mean, that could not be a surprise for you guys. Y'all know that purple is my favorite color. So I was really trying to find like some lilac, like pretty purple colors. I wanted to incorporate some pink in there. And you guys know my whole house is like gray and silver. So definitely no gold this year. I'm such a gold person. Like this is so new for me, but I really have been enjoying the silver accents versus the gold in my actual apartment. So I went for, you know, silver accents and not gold. So the first thing that I got from Hobby Lobby were these ornaments. They're so pretty. Can y'all see the color? Look at how pretty. So they're like that really nice muted lilac or light lavender color, whatever you want to call it. It has the little sparkly ones in there, some textured shiny ones, and then just the matte ones. I freaking love them, you guys. Like they're so nice. So I got 2 of these just in case. I didn't know how many I really needed. My tree is not that big and it's actually skinny, but I've never had a tree like this. So I've never decorated a tree this size, so I'm not sure how it's gonna go. Plus I have 2 trees. We'll get into that later. So I have definitely enough ornaments for all of my trees. And then at Hobby Lobby, I also got this tree topper. So I love the tree topper, you guys. Like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So this is like a beautiful star and it has like holographic glitter in it. So it definitely matches with the purple, with the pink and everything that I am trying to do for my tree. So I just thought that this was perfect. And then everything at Hobby Lobby was 40% off, so I didn't pay full price for any of this stuff at Hobby Lobby. Now I did see a tree in Hobby Lobby. If you guys watched the vlog, you would have seen I saw a tree in there, but the tree was like $120. So I was just like, let me look around Walmart first, see what I can find. And then Hobby Lobby had some wreaths in there that were like 70 bucks. And I was just like, okay, we can definitely be a little bit more resourceful. Like this is my first apartment. This is my first Christmas in my own space. So I didn't want to go too crazy with it. But these are the only things that I got from Hobby Lobby. So I got the 2 things of ornaments and then the tree topper. And then once I got to Walmart, that's kind of when it got a little bit more exciting. So I also picked up these purple, they're dark purple ornaments, and I just think that these are going to provide really nice contrast with the light purple. So I love these. We have the glittery ones, we have some textured ones, and then just some matte ones with glitter on them. You guys see the vibes, right? Because if I did all light, it just would not have looked like how I would want it to look, especially because the trees that I got are flocked, so they do have that white fake snow on there, hence like all the snow on me right now. I mean, Jesus Christ, ridiculous. So yeah, I wanted to pick up something that was going to provide a little bit more contrast. So I got these, and then I picked up these snowflakes from Walmart as well, because I was looking for some pink ornaments and I wasn't really finding any that I was super in love with. They just weren't the right shade of pink, or all of the blush stuff, like all the blush pink stuff at Walmart was accented with gold, so it just wasn't gonna work. But then I saw these babies right here, and look at these. So these are little snowflakes and they're so pretty. I love them so much. Get into them. Hold on, we're getting readjusted to our camera here. So these are just little snowflakes. There's 4 in a pack. I got 2 packs because I didn't just want 4 of these. They are accent ornaments, but come on, I need more than 4. So yeah, I got 2 packs of those. I also got these ornament hooks, so you know that these are definitely a must as well. So there's 150 ornament hooks in here for 98 cents, so literally could not beat that. So I got those. And then the fun part, ooh-wee, it's the fake snow for me. Y'all, this stuff is going to be everywhere. So I got these flocked garlands. So these are 9 feet and these are for outside. So these are for my balcony area, and I definitely wanted to wrap some kind of something around the balcony. I already have lights out there, so I didn't have to get any Christmas lights or anything. So I just went ahead and got these so that we can make it feel like Christmas out there. I'm definitely going to set up a few things out there. So I got these. Super happy to find these. I promise y'all everything at Hobby Lobby was, you know, way more obviously, but when we went to Walmart, we kind of hit the jackpot. So yeah, I got these flocked garlands, and then I was actually able to find 2 wreaths that I like. You guys, I promise the ones in Hobby Lobby were so expensive and I didn't even really like them. The flocked ones, like, they weren't even really that cute. So I was just like, what? Like, once I saw these, I was just like, I'm definitely gonna get these. So this one right here was $10, you guys. $9.98 for this one. So I was just like, hello, why would I spend $25 or even $70 on the ones from Hobby Lobby? So definitely check out Walmart, you guys, because they have a lot of cute stuff in there. So yeah, I got this one for my balcony door. So it's just a basic wreath. It doesn't have anything else in it. My mom was talking about kind of like customizing them if I wanted to. We can put like little ornaments and things in here. You know, they have those little sticks that you can kind of just stick in here to add a little bit of accent. But honestly, I really like it like this. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm just happy that I got a wreath for $10 versus 25 or 40 or 70 or whatever it was. And then I found this one, which has a little bit more pizzazz with the pine cones and everything. Look at this. So yeah, definitely was excited when I saw this one, and this one was only like $13, I think. $13.98. So still not even, you know, the price of what the fancier ones were at Hobby Lobby at all. So very happy with my decisions with the wreaths. But as you can see, this stuff is gonna be all over my house, which I just have to be okay with that for the season, you know. For the wreaths, I also got these wreath hangers. What do they call these? Is that what they call them? Yeah, it's just a wreath hanger, basically. It goes over the door so that I don't have to like do a command strip or anything on the door. So I got 2 of them. So I got this one, This one says seasons greetings. Seasons greetings. There we go. Give it a little spotlight or something. And then this one says fa la la. Fa la 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 la. I got these two, very happy with them. So happy that they had some silver ones, some silver accents, and these were super cheap. $3.98 for these. So I was just like, yes! I was so excited, you guys, like very, very, very excited. Let's see if I can show you. Okay, so here we go. So this is the first tree that I got. You can kind of see that. So this is my baby tree. And this tree was $27. And this one is a 4-foot tree, as you guys can see. Or at least I hope you can see. So it's 4 foot and it's also flocked. Flocked is definitely the theme. And so I wanted to get a small tree to go outside on my balcony. So that's what this one is for. I was just really happy that they had a little small one because I definitely wanted to put one out there. I just didn't know if I was gonna find one that I really liked, because you know the small ones are usually like very skimpy, not really, you know, they just look very branchy, like no fluff to them at all. So I was very happy to see that one. Super cute when the way that they had it set up in the store. Ooh, baby. And then, here is, oh my God. Here's my big tree. Trying to show y'all back here. So this is a 7-foot tree, and it's a little skinny, nice, cute, and sophisticated tree, and it's very tall. This one was $79. Also flocked, okay? And if you guys saw in that video that I did when I was in the store shopping, you could see that the tree is almost exactly the same as the one that was in Hobby Lobby. So I'm so happy that I just waited it out. My mom was like, we're gonna go to Walmart, because Walmart and Hobby Lobby are in the same plaza where we were. So she's like, we're gonna go to Walmart and see what they have, and they don't have anything, then we can come back here and you can get that tree. Because y'all know when I see something and I really want it and I just have the vision in my head and everything, I just want to buy it. Like, I don't want to wait because I don't want things to be gone. But so happy that I just waited 5 minutes to get across the way to Walmart to see what they had, because I ended up getting both of the trees for less than the price of that one tree at Hobby Lobby, basically. I mean, I got 2 trees basically for the price of one. Like, stop playing. So yeah, I was just like, definitely got a better deal. I was really happy though with the ornaments from Hobby Lobby, because they didn't have any ornaments that looked like this at Walmart. I didn't have any of these lilac, beautiful, pretty ornaments. They only had like the really dark ones. So I was happy with that. It's just, you know, happy balance, happy medium. Oh, and I also got 2 candles. Even though I went Christmas shopping, I was just like, I don't really want to entirely skip over the fall times, because I didn't really do anything to decorate my place for fall. So I was just like, well, I should just get some nice fall candles. I did get some Bath and Body Works fall candles. I got marshmallow fireside. I think that was really it. I got marshmallow fireside, and then I got mahogany teak wood. I don't think that's considered a fall candle. I'm not sure. I just now started getting into candles like when I moved in here, so that was only a few months ago. But definitely marshmallow fireside is like a fan favorite. But then I got to Walmart and saw these candles right here, and y'all, these candles were $5, and I'm just like, $5? I'm paying $12 or $20 or $24 or whatever at Bath and Body Works. And even though I love Bath and Body Works 3-wick candles, Walmart definitely had some, they had a few gems, okay? I'm not even gonna lie. So I definitely wanted to go ahead and get some, you know, fall inspired candles. So that's what I did. So I got pumpkin spice, and then this one is called salted caramel butterscotch. Smells really good, to be honest. So I definitely had to pick these up after I smelled them. So yeah, that's all that I got. I'm very excited about my purchases, you guys. Like, this is my favorite season. This is what I live for, okay? This is the stuff that I get excited about. I'm ready to put my tree up. I'm ready to watch the Polar Express and all of that. So I hope that you guys are enjoying the holiday season so far. I've never done this before. Like, I've never pre-filmed Vlogmas or anything, but also like in previous years my vlogs were just kind of all over the place for Vlogmas, and sometimes they weren't even Christmas related. So I definitely did not want to do that this year. I wanted to take my time with it and really plan out stuff for Vlogmas. So today me and Devin actually talked and I started to plan out my intro and everything because I'm gonna film everything in my house with all of my decorations and stuff, and it's just gonna be super fun. Like, this year is different, we're in different circumstances, the world is different, so I really just wanted to take my time with this and make something that is memorable but also brings me so much joy in such a tough time. Like, this is my favorite time of the year, so I hope that you guys enjoy it. I hope that you guys really love this series because we've been planning since October. Today is October 8th, you guys, so yes, we've been planning for a while. I've been working on it for a while. I just wanted to let you guys know that. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me in the comments what your favorite Christmas movie is. Like, what is your all-time favorite Christmas movie? Mine is The Polar Express. I want to know what yours is, so make sure you leave that down below in the comments for me. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe as well, and I will see you guys in my next video.